In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your voice on Speechify. To get started, open your browser and go to the Speechify website. Once you're there, if you've already generated audio before, head over to your library so you can access your existing projects. From the library, click on the project you want to work with. This is where you'll be able to manage the voice settings for that project. Next, look for the profile icon connected to the voice that's currently being used and click on it. This will open the voice options. From there, select Explore All so you can see the full list of available voice tools and settings. In that section, click on Clone Voice. Now you'll see two options. You can either record your voice directly or upload an audio file. Recording your voice is the most recommended option, especially if you want the clone to sound as accurate and natural as possible. Choose the option to record your voice. After that, enter your full name, then click Sign and Record. Once that's done, click Continue to move to the recording screen. On the next page, select Start Recording. When the recording begins, speak clearly and naturally. Try to stay in a quiet environment so the system can capture your voice cleanly. If you want better results, keep a steady pace and avoid background noise. When you finish, you'll have the chance to preview the recording. This is a helpful step because you can listen back and decide whether you're happy with how it sounds. If needed, you can start again and make a new recording. Once you're satisfied, click Continue. Finally, type in a name for your voice and choose a gender. Then click Continue one last time. At that point, Speechify will begin generating your cloned voice. Depending on processing time, this may take a little while, but once it's complete, your voice clone will be ready to use.